Well, good afternoon, everybody. I'm Jennifer Duck. I'm here. Merry Christmas to everybody. I have to work on these cookies. These are the melt-aways I took out of the refrigerator, and I don't know if I already put them up on the thing. I was showing Jen. After you bring them out of the fridge, after you bring them out of the refrigerator, they're hard, and you just use one scoop, like so, and then get them into like a ball, and you bake them. But be very careful. Let me bring this up a little bit. I gotta put something behind you guys. Hold on. What do I put behind you? Let's see. Let's see if this works. Nope, that ain't gonna work. Maybe Santa Claus will bring me a tripod. I haven't even gone online to look. I'm just so thankful that I got my phone back. You do that, Dad. Let's see what I bake these with. Let's see. Baking time 350. We were going to bake our ham today, but I told him not. I have these cookies I have to make. So after you get them up here, you know, you're supposed to make a little imprint in them. Because, like so, you'll put the cream cheese in them later. Just put it in there with your thumb. Powdered sugar, and I think it's cream cheese, if I'm not mistaken. My son, Ernie, loves these cookies. Well, I found out my granddaughter did move into her place. Good. Oh, I'll go down a couple months. Today is going to be 75 on tomorrow. Right now it's 73. East Tennessee, not East Tennessee, Middle Tennessee. And my son George has already told me, Mom, I like the peanut butter ones and the drops, the peanut butter drops, you know. He said, Mom, don't send me a whole lot of cookies. He says, we don't need all that sugar. I said, that's fine. I'll give you a small container. No. Can't believe tomorrow's Christmas Day. Sure doesn't feel like it, everybody. It feels different here. So the dough is it's soft. It's real soft. I am so glad to have my phone back. You just don't know it. Well, everybody, I'm going to let y'all go. I just wanted to come on here and tell you we're making the last of the bunch of the cookies. I'm so glad. I'm going to make a ham tomorrow, and I'm going to make some scallop potatoes. And that's what we're having. Thank you all for watching. You all have a good day today. I'm still a little under the weather with my back, but that's okay. Thank you. We'll see y'all later. Merry Christmas to you. Happy New Year's. We'll be talking.